Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore and back up your email list in the Mailchimp Email Manager application. So backing up your email list and contacts list in Mailchimp is such an easy and quick process. The first thing you want to do when you have your Mailchimp account logged in is on the left-hand side, click on the audience list and then click on All Contacts. From here, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts on Mailchimp. And we're going to export this by clicking on Export Audience on the upper right corner. Then, on the next page, underneath Audience Exports, click on Export to CSV for all the member files that you wish to save. In case you want to access the .csv file that you downloaded, you can always open it with Notepad in order to view its details and whatever is inside your contact list. Now, going back to Mailchimp, we're going to unsubscribe for our currently subscribed contacts in order to show you how exactly to fill up a contact list when you have no other contacts in your Mailchimp account. So here, we're just unsubscribing from this one contact, and we're going to archive it until we have no contacts left on our list. Now, going back to our audience list, go back to All Contacts, and then click on Add Contacts, and then Import Contacts in order to import all the contacts that we have from the .csv file that we downloaded and exported. So on the Import Contacts page, click on Upload a File, click on Continue, and then go ahead and upload the file that we initially exported. Just keep on following the steps, make sure to set the status as subscribe, and here you can feel free to add tags to all the contacts in that contact list that we are uploading. This just makes it easier to organize all the contacts that we wish to list and import to our Mailchimp account. Then on the final step, we can rearrange certain contact information labels based on the contact list that we have. Then click on Finalize Import, and then click on Complete Import in order to finally import and update your contacts list by uploading this .csv file that we initially exported. And that's really all there is to manually backing up your Mailchimp contacts and re-uploading it for safekeeping. If you have any other questions regarding these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.